Welcome to our channel, Sanchana Speaks. So as you know, one special day is coming up. What is it? Teachers' Day? Yes, correct. I'm very excited. But when is it? 5th September? Correct. So we need crafts or cards to give our teacher. So I have bought for you two amazing, cute, little and easy cards for Teachers' Day. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to ring the bell notifications. Otherwise, how will you know my new videos are coming? And be sure to watch all my videos. They're super fun. So the first card is a classroom for my teacher. And see, my beautiful Teacher's Day card is ready. The classroom has come. The classroom has closed. The classroom has come. The classroom has closed. Wow, this is fun to play with and also refreshes so many beautiful moments of our life in the class. So for the next card, we will take 8 by 22 sheet and 12 by 15. 12 by 15. So first take the center and give it a pencil-like shape. Now let's cut this. Nice pencil-like shape. Now we'll draw some lines just like we have in our real pencils. Leave 1 centimeter between each line. So now it looks like a pencil. Now we need to add sharpened part at the top. Let's take a cream color and draw the tip. This looks like pencil tip, right? Just like this. Cut again. Cutting is done. Let's see how it looks. Wow! It looks like a real pencil. Let's stick it fast. I can't wait. Yeah, it looks nice, but color the tip with sketch pen. This looks so perfect, but pencils have a black border in the end. Let's stick that also. Now, let's cut it into 2 parts. And here it is, 2 half parts. Let's keep the pencil aside and let's take our black paper mark it at 2.5 and 5 cm from both the ends. Now let's draw vertical lines. Using the mark pointers. The last two lines we need to fold them out, and these lines we need to fold in. Same way this side. So we'll get something like this. Closed and open. So we will be able to write our message in these three columns. Let's put glue here and stick the half of the pencils. Voila! A pencil and a card. A pencil and a card. A pencil and a card. And it goes back and back and back and forth. Now we will write our message in white paper and then stick it over here. See, my message is ready. Let me stick it now. There. So our second card is also ready. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Message. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you, ma'am. So I hope you enjoyed my video of 2 amazing cards that you can give to your ma'am. Now it's lockdown, so you can on your webcam and show. But after school reopens, you can give it to your ma'am. Ma'am will be very happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like and share. And ring the bell notifications too. So I'll see you next time in my next video. Signs out your friend Sanjana Speaks. Bye.